I don't have the courage to look into your eyes and tell you the truth, Arjun. After my death, you will find out the truth. I'm glad that mother doesn't remember my name. How could she remember? My name was only used for school certificates. Only my mom used to call me by that name.
Really? Is that so? To be honest, I don't know whether that maid's name was Anjali or not. Madhuri said her name was Anjali. I haven't heard this name before. I don't know whether she's working there or not. I don't know. What do you think, Madhuri?
It's okay, Grandma. This hint is enough. Dia and I will find out the rest. But for now, we have to make preparations for tomorrow's press conference.
Deepika, could you please give me a head massage? I don't know why my head is aching so much. Arjun, don't worry. I will try to remember who this Anjali is. She wants to ruin my grandson's life. Let's go, Deepika.
Deepika. Mom, what happened? Why are you crying? No, Mom, nothing's happened. This time nothing will go wrong. Nothing will go wrong this time, Mom. Mom. Did you see that the police didn't find anything this time? This time Karan won't win. Not at all. At the press conference tomorrow, the truth will be revealed. And after that, I'll be acquitted of all charges. You had to endure embarrassment and pain because of me. You won't have to endure that pain anymore. Mom, before Dia came into my life, only you were there with me. You understood and supported me. You stayed awake for me all night. Mom, tomorrow's victory will make you happier than me.
Yes, son. Yes, I will be happy. Tomorrow will bring a new ray of hope in your life. But to see you smiling, I won't be. I won't be alive.
Niharika, you? Do you have some work?
What's the matter? Why are you alone today? There's one more other guard.
Ram Singh, sir.
Yeah, Ram Singh. Where is he?
Sir, another guard will come in place of Ram Singh.
Why another guard? I have to talk to the agency. They send a new guard every month. We face problems. Where's the new guard? Call him.
Sir, he's coming.
You have to go to Agarwal Mansion and be there as a security guard for the next 24 hours. You have to do what you will be asked to. Understand, Dilawar?
You the new guard. What's your name?
Bhairav Singh.
Bhairav Singh. You don't seem to hail from the city.
I'm from Sikandrabad, sir.
Okay. Understand the work well. There shouldn't be any mistake, okay?
Don't worry, sir. I am a fast learner.
Good. Don't let any visitor come in without interrogating them, okay? It'll be your responsibility.
Okay, sir.
Good.
What's the matter, Niharika? You haven't left yet? You want to say something?
I want to apologize. I deeply want to apologize to both of you and this family. Arjun, if you don't forgive me, then no one in this family will forgive. I know you two have forgiven me many a times, but I never even tried to value your forgiveness. I betrayed everyone's trust in this family, especially Kush's. Kush has severed all the ties with me, but he isn't wrong. He's right. Because I took advantage of his love and emotions every single time. I've betrayed him a lot of times. And Arjun, when I see you today, the way that you support Dia, the way Dia supports you, the way you both understand each other, I never understood Kush like this. I didn't even try to understand him like this. Today, when I see into the eyes of Kush, his eyes just ask me that why did I do all of this to his family as well as to him? There was a time when there was only love in his eyes. But today, all I see is nothing but hatred in his eyes. Just hatred. I can't live like this. It will be better if I die.
Niharika, please don't say that. Mistakes are made by humans. And one can rectify one's mistake. Don't worry. Together, we will solve this problem too. Then Kush will also forgive you.
Dia, I should be apologizing to you first. Because I have wronged you so much.
Niharika, you are our family. And we can't stay upset with you for too long. But I'd like to say something. Sometimes our one mistake does the damage that cannot be compensated for. And you have made many, many such mistakes, Niharika. So please think about this.
Yes. I will think about it. And I will also try to rectify all of my mistakes. I promise.
What's the matter, Dr. Bakshi? You look so worried. Yes. Actually, I am a little worried about my wife. She was very sick when I came over here. Radhu told me that he'd keep me posted about my wife's health. But I haven't been able to talk to him since morning. Look, Uncle Radhu is here. Please ask him yourself. Mr. Radhu, how is my wife doing? Did you find out how she is? Why are you quiet? Please tell me, how is my wife doing? You are quiet. It means Tara is not okay. I want to meet Tara. I'll go and find out how she is myself.
No, Dr. Bakshi, you can't go out. Listen, it's only a matter of one night. You may meet your wife after the press conference tomorrow. You see, Karan's men must be looking for you. Going out is dangerous. Please, don't go anywhere.
Okay. I will not go. But first, you connect me to Tara. I want to know that how she is doing.
Well,
What happened? Contact her now.
Doctor, your wife is not at home.
She's not at home? Then where is Tara?
Her fever got worse, so she has been admitted to City Hospital.
What? Tara is in the hospital? I want to meet her right away.
No, doctor. It's not safe for you to leave right now. Please don't go.
Leave me!
Doctor, please, doctor.
Dia? Why does she look so worried?
What happened, Mom?
Nothing has happened, but had I not come, something would have happened. You seemed lost, dear. What if you had hurt your hand?
I'm sorry, Mom. I was cutting fruits for Arjun. I didn't realize when my focus shifted from cutting fruits to tomorrow's press conference.
Don't worry, dear. Arjun has come so close to finding out the truth that Lord will make sure he succeeds.
I know that, Mom. When things aren't going your way, then Lord helps us in other way.
Do you know why Lord didn't give me a daughter? Because you were destined to become my daughter-in-law.
Let it be. I don't believe it. You are lying. You can call me your daughter for the sake of it. You don't consider me your daughter?
Why do you say that, dear?
Mom, had you really considered me your daughter, you wouldn't have kept things from me. You would have shared with me. Mom? Mom, I have been observing you for a few days. You aren't keeping well. And I'm sure that it is not a physical ailment. It has got something to do with your mind. Mom, I know you are sad about something. Mom, please tell me, what is bothering you? Mom, do you miss Granny? This happens when you miss someone. No, today Grandma showed a video of your natal home. So maybe you got emotional upon hearing Granny's voice?
Who doesn't miss their mom, dear? No matter how old you get, you are bound to miss your mom.
Absolutely right. Even I miss my mom a lot.
Go to your mom for a few days, dear. You will feel good.
I see. So now you want to get rid of me? I won't go anywhere. You see, when you have such a wonderful mother-in-law, then why would I go anywhere else? Your love makes me feel my mom is with me. Do you understand? Listen, Mom. What did Granny Ma call you out of affection? I mean, you must have had a nickname. Something like Golu, Motu, Bhodu. Didn't people have such nicknames back in that day? So, what was your nickname?
Sir, please, sir, please don't do this.
I'll call Uncle Radu and check upon them.
Yes,
Uncle Radu,
Sir Arjun, there is a big problem.
problem? What happened?
The senior doctor, his wife's health had deteriorated. I had hospitalized her, but I didn't inform him about it.
Why didn't you inform him?
Had I informed him, he wouldn't have stayed here. He was insisting on leaving, so I told him, Arjun, if he goes home, Karan will get hold of him.
Radu Uncle, which hospital?
City Hospital.
City Hospital. Okay. You wait there. I'll be right there. Okay?
Arjun, where are you going in a hurry?
There, Uncle Radu just called.
What?
Yes. They are stay at home. Don't worry, I'll be right back.
Arjun?
Security? Are you new here? When did you join?
I joined today only, sir. Ram Singh is ill, so the agency sent me in his place.
I see. So what are you doing here? Your work is outside the house. But what are you doing here? And who are these flowers for?
Flowers are for ma'am. I've heard that she offers prayers 3 times a day. So I bought these flowers for her.
Okay. Yes. Mom is here. Give them to her.
Greetings, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm your new watchman. I've come in place of Ram Singh. Take these flowers. I just plucked them from the garden.
Thank you.
Bhairav Singh. This is what your name is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you taking the photos of the house? What happened? I asked you something.
I made a mistake, ma'am. These high-tech mobiles have just ruined our habits. My younger brother in the village has bought a new mobile. Whenever I see something beautiful, I take their photos and send them to the family. Villagers really like cities. The children become happy when they see huge buildings. And ever since I told them that I'm working for Agarwal Mansion, they have been so excited. Yours is a renowned family in the city. So I thought I'd send them a few photos. It is a huge house. I've seen such a house in films only.
Dr. Bakshi, please come with me.
Leave
Don't
me.
do this.
Leave me!
Ah.
Leave me now!
Dr. Bakshi, Dr. Bakshi. Son Arjun, Dr. Bakshi is nowhere to be seen. It seems He has gone far. Come quickly. Stop, stop, stop. He's Dr. Bakshi, whose name is on the witness list. What is he doing here? All the witnesses, including him, were with Arjun.
Dr. Bakshi. Dr. Bakshi, what are you doing? Why putting your life at risk? Dr. Bakshi, your wife is okay. Trust me. Dr. Bakshi, if Karan's aides see you before the press conference, they'll do to you what they did to Dr. Sen.
I don't want to hear anything now. I just want to meet my wife. She's admitted in the city hospital.
Yes, Dr. Bakshi, I totally understand. But you don't have to go to the hospital to meet your wife. Just a minute. Hi, doctor. Please get Dr. Bakshi's wife on the line. Here, talk to her.
Tara, how are you? How is your health now?
What has happened to me? Huh? I'm absolutely fine here. Don't worry about me. All the doctors here are taking very good care of me. Make sure you finish the work you have gone to do. I know the burden of lies has made your life difficult. So reveal the truth for Arjun and ease that burden.
I will come very soon. Please just take care of yourself.
Okay. You take care.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Dr. Bakshi, your wife is fine. And I'll personally look after her. Do you remember what promise I made you? Yours and your family's safety is my responsibility.
Arjun, please forgive me, son. When I heard that Tara was in hospital, I panicked. But nothing like that will happen now. Come on, let's prepare for the press conference.
Okay, sir. Please come with me. Trust me.
I'm sure Arjun is taking him where he has kept other witnesses.